Now the teachers have to equip themselves for a change in the technology, change in the pedagogy. No longer you can teach them in watertight compartments. It has to be as an integrated methodology. Whatever you are going to experience in the classroom is much more than what you learn. So for this, probably this technology will be a big boon or advantages. I'm personally convinced about it, and I'm sure we will be able to opt for it. So if we want progressive excellence, such technological inputs should definitely be in classrooms. Now even a child of class of age 3 or 4 are comfortable in handling technology. Therefore, anything you do on this will certainly be a big answer. I myself sat for the initial demonstration, and I've been interacting with the teachers, my maths teacher, my English teacher. They are quite positive about it, that it is going to bring a big change in the classroom.
I strongly believe in using technology as an excellent classroom support. The teachers felt happy that they could give instant remarks to the children, which acts as a great motivator for a child to either proceed or even interrupt a teacher in not receiving a remark for his performance. And I feel this can be used as an instant and a spontaneous feedback provider by the teacher, which will motivate a child, not enthuse the child to have that interest to look forward for a class. A child is actively engaged in a learning, that I could see when they were all using this iPad. The active involvement is there, where I can classify all my learners as active learners. They are no longer passive listeners, but they are active learners.
Tablet can definitely change the way things are taught in the classroom, because we can combine notes, videos and diagrams to it.
Definitely this has helped me a lot as a teacher. The tablets, like I've got more class participation compared to when it is just chalk and board teaching, and it has made my life much easier, I think.
Actually, it was very easy because the harness software was user friendly, and in a matter of 10 minutes we were able to get hold of the features.
It has become quite easy because of some of the applications present in the harness software. Since it is on screen, I could correct it at my own pace, and it's more clear, and it is always saved, and so students also benefit from it.
Actually, the harness team had done a good job out of it. They were able to get us through all the features in a very short period of time because they knew what they were doing.
I learned many of the options, and I could use it with the children, and which helped them in turn.
It is definitely going to make a change because students can relearn whatever they have learnt in school at their own space at home through the replay button.
It can actually change the way students learn, because visual impact is always more than anything. You learn more when you see something than when you hear something, and also as the time is advancing, less of notebooks, they have to carry maybe 2-3 notebooks for a subject. This entire thing is compact and can be saved in one tablet.
This, I feel, will be the future of education because it will definitely help the slow learners.
I think so. It is definitely going to be the future.
I will definitely recommend this technology to the other teachers because I am impressed with the assignment column that is given and the quiz point.
I would of course recommend it to other teachers, because as we have been discussing about using this iPad, other teachers are also interested. Obviously, this is going to be applicable to all the subjects, and all the subjects can be made more interesting and easier.
It was definitely fun, and because you don't have to write down the questions the teachers ask you to write down.
Ever since we got the iPad, it's been a lot easier. Our work has been more organized, and it's just been more efficient.
When I joined ASIG at first, I thought it was already efficient and interactive, but with the iPad, it's become even better than how it was before.
Ma'am used to write questions and we had to copy down the questions, but in this case we don't have to just copy down the questions, we can just give our answers.
Yeah, I'd be really happy to use this technology because it's a totally new experience.
When the teacher gives us an assignment, you just have to press a button, go to your assignment, finish the work and submit it.
We miss a class, we can always have the information from the teacher's iPad in our iPad, so we could study even when we're sick.